We're on day 4 today, heading out to a peninsula on the, west coast. Gonna check that out. Was recommended it by one of the locals. Been driving for 2 hours now at least, trying to get somewhere, but we have yet to get there. Alright, we're out on this western peninsula here in Iceland and found this amazing rock formation out here on the coastline. Alright, we have driven as far as we could in our little car. We've made quite a ways out here actually, but we reached a point where we were not willing to go any further. So we're heading towards a glacier up here on top of the mountain, and we're gonna see if we can walk there from here and hike through the mountains to get there. So far, what we can see are these little glaciers over there. So, if anything, I think we can reach those. Look at what we just found. We're kind of hiking through this like volcanic dust here. Bunch of rocks and everything. It's not the easiest thing to climb in, and it's not much of a trail coming out here, so getting a little bit later, keeping it cautious, but we see the finish line. There it is. Hiking through all this, I'm a little worried that since all the ice is melting and breaking apart at this area down here, that there may be some like hidden caverns under the ground that once you walk over, you fall straight in. I don't know if that's legit or not. I don't know much about glaciers. Wow, so cool. I hear water running and see a river running right through there. I'm gonna approach this with a lot of caution and make sure there's nothing that could potentially screw ourselves over. And here's where we are right now. Seeing like this under the ice is not making me too fond of walking very far onto this thing, so the advantage of having a drone, I can check it out from the sky first. Alright, we've established that I can survive because I have the car keys. Alright, so hopefully that drone footage turned out alright. Took the drone back in and it was pretty much soaking wet. This mist really dampened it quite well. So we're scurrying back now. Hopefully we survive. If not, I call dibs on eating Joey.
Without horrible shit. Does it taste fine?
Yeah.
Tastes
It's
really
like
refreshing.
super cold though.
Fine, I'll have the poops too.
Friends that poop together stay together.
Oh, it's super cold.
Made it back to the car, and on our way down we found a herd of sheep. Just stopping along the way, we saw this cool bridge over here. I want to see where it goes. Pretty cool view up here. We're running through and I've got like this spongy crap here. You can see it's like super soft. Feels like you're running on a trampoline. Weird thing is one step's on hard rock, the other's on this weird spongy shit. It's kind of fun. Alright, we've made it back from the mountain at least. We're on our way back and everybody's absolutely starving. We haven't eaten anything except for breakfast, so currently sitting at a pretty much an American diner in Iceland trying to get food. But burgers, it's gonna be good.